Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, you'll learn how to disable followers from replying to your Facebook stories. If you've ever wanted more privacy or just prefer not to get messages every time you post a story, this setting will help you take control of who can respond. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and open the Facebook app. Make sure you're logged into your account. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines, that's the menu icon. On most devices, you'll find it in the top right corner of the screen. This will open up a list of options. Now, scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy. When that expands, select Settings. This will take you to a page where you can manage almost everything related to your account and activity. From here, scroll until you find Audience and Visibility. It's usually located within the main settings list. Under this section, tap on Stories. This is where all your story-related settings live. You'll see options for who can see your stories, who can share them, and most importantly, who can reply to them. To stop followers from replying, look for the option that says, Allow followers to reply to your stories. Once you find it, toggle the switch off. When the switch turns gray instead of blue, that means replies from followers are disabled. You'll still be able to get replies from your friends if you want, but everyone else will no longer be able to respond. And that's it. You've successfully turned off follower replies to your Facebook stories. Now your stories are a bit more private, giving you more control over your interactions on the platform. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share it with others who might want to manage their Facebook story settings too. Thanks for watching.